Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with our previous topic that we have started. That is cytokinesis in plant cell and animal cell. So today we are going to continue from that part. Like here, last time we were talking about the cell wall or the basically cell division in between the plant cell. So this is the continuation of that one. Now when the division will be there, at that time you have seen that the cytokinesis in the plant cell, it was getting divided into two. That time there is a formation of the primary cell wall also in the plants, and will be followed by the secondary cell wall also. So cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins are then deposited by the cytoplasm. Okay, तो cytoplasm क्या करेगा? Cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin को deposit करेगा into the daughter cells on either side of the middle lamella. Middle lamella was a partition in between the two cells. So it is going to be deposited on the both side of the middle lamella, and it is going to form the primary cell wall. And this divides the parent cell into two daughter cells. Okay. Now, after the formation of the primary cell wall, there will be the formation of the secondary cell wall. Okay, the primary cell wall is basically flexible to allow for the growth of the cell, and actually the primary cell wall can extend somewhat. It is flexible in nature, and a fully grown cell later forms a rigid secondary cell wall. Then when the daughter cells will be there, when they are going to get mature, then they will be getting the sort of permanent structure in the form of cell wall that will be termed as a secondary. So the primary and the secondary cell walls are formed of secretion produced in the cell. So who has made these cell walls, that primary and the secondary? It is basically formed by the secretion of the cell itself. Okay, so it should be noted that the cytokinesis in an animal cell begins at the periphery. Periphery मतलब उसका बाहर का area. ठीक है, और and it is going to move inside when we are talking about the animal cell, but when we are talking about the plant cell, then it is going to start from the inner side in between the two cells, so it will extend to the peripheral area. Okay, whereas in a plant cells it starts centrally, बीच में शुरू होगा और बाहर की तरफ बढ़ेगा. Now we are going to talk about the cytokinesis in bacterial cell. So in prokaryotes basically means those who are having the primitive nucleus. ठीक है, तो primitive nucleus वाले कौन से cells होते हैं? Like bacteria. ठीक है, and also in some eukaryotes cytokinesis occurs in a different way. कुछ अलग तरीके से होता है, देखते हैं कैसे. The plasma membrane invaginates around the middle of the cell. ये middle of the cell में invagination दिखाई देता है, and a new cell wall forms alongside, or new cell wall बनती है. Here you are able to see in this diagram. There is a bacterial cell. This is the circular chromosomes. Now here is the DNA replication. It has generated a identical copy so that it can divide these copies into individual cells. So here in the next formation of two ring chromosome segregation here. Okay, so it is going to now move inside as a plasma membrane pinches मतलब आपको pinch करना basically means it is going to be extend inside in the closer towards the center of the cell, and the new wall extends till both join at the center. ठीक है, तो ये center पे ये join करके रहेगा till both join at the center and completely separates the daughter cell, and slowly they will detach from each other. As the separation of the daughter cells proceed from the outer side inward, the process resembles the animal cell furrowing. So this is what is a resembling the animal cell furrowing. ठीक है, furrow मतलब basically sort of making depression from the peripheral area, and it is going to get inside and finally it will detach. And now mitosis in haploid cells. The mitotic process described above is for the diploid cell. Whatever we have talked about, that was diploid cell. But it is a similar process also happen in case of haploid cells, such as those of the gametophytic generation of the plant. But some of the plants are having the gametophytic and sporophytic generation that you will be able to know in the later stages. In their gametophytic generation means होगा when the plant body will be generating gametes. ठीक है, oh, inside that this mitosis is also going to happen. Now cell separation, when this is the next process after the साइटोकाइनेसिस। तो साइटोकाइनेसिस के बाद होने वाला ये प्रोसेस है बेसिकली। सो द डॉटर सेल्स सून सेपरेट बाय सिक्रीटिंग इंटरसेलुलर सब्सटेंसेस बिटवीन देम, उनके बीच में इंटरसेलुलर सब्सटेंसेस आएंगे एंड दे विल फाइनली गेट डिटैच। टू बिगिन विथ दिस सब्सटेंसेस इज जेली लाइक, ये जो सब्सटेंस होगा ये इनिशियली जेली लाइक होगा और किस चीज का है, हायालुरोनिक एसिड, बट लेटर अदर मटेरियल्स में परमिएट इट, और बाद में कुछ और मटेरियल्स भी इसमें परमिएट कर सकते हैं, मतलब कैन पास थ्रू। So this was all about the continuation of the cytokinesis in plant cell, animal cell, bacterial cell. Okay, so here it was a completion of this topic. On the next topic which we are going to talk about is a meiosis.